Hello folks, Wes here, B&B Audio Concepts in Cardiff. Today we have a little Peugeot 108. Original radio, had a screen but it was a bit dated. Customer wanted something wireless, Apple CarPlay, something that integrated and also allowed the steering wheel buttons to work, which done here. Now this unit will give you Apple and Android wireless, it'll give you DAB and it'll give you Bluetooth. So you've got all the functions. The USB can be used for playback of video, etc. Now this has been supplied and fitted by Audio Concepts in Cardiff, and now this has a 3-year warranty and we're part of the Pro Installer scheme. So if something like this interests you and you don't want to spend too much, this will bring the car up to date. We give you the original radio back, so when this comes to selling, we can put the original radio back in and this can go into your next car. And if you don't require it, you can always sell it to a friend or something and then we can reinstall it for you. Thank you for watching. B&B Audio Concepts, Cardiff.